Phones are our daily companions and connect us. Microwaves heat food instantly using radiation. Bluetooth connects devices wirelessly for convenience. Circuits power our gadgets through electrical flow. Apps enhance our lives with endless possibilities. Waves cook food evenly, making meals quick. Speakers bring music to life with Bluetooth tech. Connections change the world, bridging distances. Notifications keep us informed and engaged daily. Timers ensure perfect cooking every single time. Technology makes life easier with seamless connections. Engineering drives innovation in every gadget. Gadgets shape our future with limitless potential. Enjoyment through tech brings us all together. The future is bright with technology leading the way. Let's embrace the technology in our everyday lives.